Hello everyone, and me and Victor are gonna present to you some things about Albert Einstein. First of all, we will talk about the life of this well-known physicist and how he became the most known scientist of the world. He was born on August the 30th of 1847 in Württemberg in Germany. He had one younger sister with him, and his childhood was pretty calm. But right at the start of his life, when he was 5, his dad gave him a gift, a simple compass. Although we can think that this is pretty basic, Albert had an interest about the mysteries of the needle of the compass, which did not move even if the young boy moved the compass everywhere he could. At 6, he discovered his passion for the violin, particularly with Mozart. He started the school at this age, and against the myths that can make us think that he was bad at school, it was revealed that this was false, and Albert just had a chaotic course and he also suffered from some dyslexia. There is also a marking part of his life when he read a book named The Little Bible of Geometry. Albert abandoned his religion after reading this book, and he discovered a new world in the maths because of it. He tried to go to Federal Polytechnic School of Zurich in Switzerland, but he failed at the exam to enter it, and he was accepted in it the second time he tried to. He continued to study for a bit of time before finding a job which he could also work on his physics works and start to post his discoveries, which will make him famous because they were so useful to the science and to the comprehension of the world. He revealed himself as one of the best scientists of his time, if not the best, and revolutionized his era. Sadly, all the fame that he earned with his numerous projects wasn't something he liked, leading to his most famous photo. He died of an abdominal aortic aneurysm in the 18th of April 1955, leaving behind him a huge history full of discoveries that we will learn more about in the second part of this video. Albert Einstein is well known for his equation E equals mc2, but he contributed to the physics community in many other ways. One of the most important theories of the 20th century is from Einstein. Indeed, he published the general relativity in 1990. It is an improvement of his own theory of special relativity, and it manages to explain the gravity more precisely than Newton.
Moreover, he is the first scientist to suggest an explication of the photoelectric effect. His idea is nowadays extremely known because of photons, a new concept introduced by Einstein. But we have to break some myths. No, he didn't create the nuclear bomb, but this lie is based on some things that are true. In fact, he did send a letter to the American President Roosevelt to warn him about the plan of Germany about a nuclear bomb. It was useless because Germany stopped the project. But because of this letter, USA started the Manhattan Project, and we all know what happened next. After his death, he left many things from his time on Earth. Firstly, he is one of the most famous scientists and physicists of all times. The majority of humans on Earth have already heard his name, and that's because he has made a gratifying contribution to modern physics and knowledge of the laws that define the world. He is regularly featured in films, including last year's Oppenheimer, played by Tom Conti. He remains a major figure in modern physics, and his theories will remain until disproved by others, something that has never yet happened. Thank you for listening. We hope you have learned a little more about Einstein. Bye!